Hello, friends. A very warm welcome to Home Fix Mechanics. Friends, in today's video, we are going to talk about a very common but important problem related to single-door refrigerators, and that problem is the refrigerator thermostat. Many times, the fridge does not cool properly. Sometimes excessive ice formation occurs, or the compressor keeps turning on and off repeatedly. In such situations, very often the problem is with the thermostat itself. In this video, we will explain the reasons why a thermostat gets faulty, the signs that indicate when it is necessary to change the thermostat, and most importantly, how to safely replace the thermostat of a single-door refrigerator. If you are a technician, a learner, or someone who wants to do repair work at home by yourself, this video is going to be very useful for you. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. First of all, for safety purposes, unplug the electric plug from the socket. After that, open the refrigerator door and carefully remove the tray fitted below the freezer box. Now open the freezer door and completely remove all the items kept inside it so that there is no obstruction while working. After this, focus on the bottom section of the freezer box where the thermostat sensor wire is fixed to the bottom of the box with the help of a screw. Slowly loosen that screw using a screwdriver and carefully detach the thermostat sensor wire from the freezer box. The refrigerator in which we are currently going to replace the thermostat is a Godrej Company single-door fridge. And in this model, the thermostat is installed in the upper section, that is the top portion of the refrigerator. To remove the thermostat, first carefully remove the nuts fitted on both sides using a T-spanner. Here, I am using 10-number spanner. One important thing to keep in mind is that the thermostat location is not the same in all refrigerators. In some models, it is installed inside on the side of the freezer box, while in some models it is fitted in the upper portion. In this refrigerator, the thermostat is installed in the top portion, and we will remove it step by step in the correct manner and fit the new thermostat in the same position so that the cooling performance of the refrigerator works properly. After opening all 4 nuts, before removing the top cover, carefully pull out the knob fitted on the front of the thermostat. This knob is a press-fit type and comes out easily with a gentle pull. Just behind the knob, there is another nut. Loosen it with the help of pliers and remove it as well. After this, when you remove the top cover of the refrigerator, the thermostat fitted inside becomes clearly visible, making the further repair process easier. Even after opening all 4 nuts, the top cover of the refrigerator opens only halfway because there is another large cover fitted on the back side which still needs to be removed. The thermostat sensor wire is hidden under this rear cover, so to completely remove the thermostat, it is necessary to remove this cover. For this, open the 2 screws fitted on the back side of the refrigerator using a screwdriver, and then carefully remove the rear cover. Now you will be able to see the thermostat sensor wire clearly. At the point where the sensor wire goes from the thermostat into the freezer box, it is sealed with adhesive tape to prevent cooling from escaping. First, carefully remove this tape. After that, remove all the electrical connectors attached to the thermostat one by one. Now, while holding the thermostat in your hand, slowly pull the sensor wire that goes up to the freezer box upwards. During this process, remove the wire gently without applying force. In this way, the thermostat, along with its entire sensor wire, comes out safely from inside the refrigerator. Now take the new thermostat. You can see that the sensor wire of the new thermostat is usually wrapped like a coil, so first carefully unwind it and straighten it completely. After this, insert the new thermostat sensor wire slowly inward through the same path from which the old thermostat sensor wire was removed. As soon as this sensor wire reaches the bottom of the freezer box, fix it properly under the freezer box in the same position as before with a screw so that the sensor can sense the temperature correctly. The sensor wire installed inside the freezer box continuously senses the freezer temperature and sends this information directly to the thermostat.
As soon as the freezer temperature increases, the pressure inside the sensor wire changes, and the switch inside the thermostat gets activated, supplying power to the compressor, which then starts running and cooling begins. Similarly, when the freezer box reaches the set temperature, the thermostat cuts off the compressor supply based on the signal from the sensor wire. In this way, the thermostat and sensor wire together automatically turn the compressor on and off and maintain the refrigerator's cooling at the correct level. Now, after completing the sensor wire connection with the freezer box, make the electrical connections of the new thermostat installed on the top. Connect all the wires to the thermostat terminals in the same order as they were connected to the old thermostat. After that, refit the thermostat assembly step by step in the same way it was removed earlier. Friends, the thermostat is a very important part of the refrigerator because it decides when the fridge should cool and when the compressor should stop. The thermostat continuously senses the freezer temperature and turns the compressor on and off accordingly. If the thermostat does not work properly, many problems start occurring in the refrigerator. For example, the fridge may not cool at all, excessive ice formation may occur, or the compressor may turn on and off repeatedly, increasing electricity consumption. And in some cases, the compressor may keep running continuously, putting extra load on the motor. Therefore, whenever the refrigerator cooling is not proper, it is very important to check the thermostat first, because replacing the thermostat on time can prevent major faults and expensive repairs. So, friends, we have successfully changed the thermostat of a single-door refrigerator in a correct and safe manner. I hope that through this video, you have clearly understood all the information related to the thermostat, and that this video has proved useful for you. To watch the next video on this channel, click on the card shown on the screen. And if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected with our channel Home Fix Mechanics for more useful technical and repair-related videos. Thank you very much for watching the video.